Now it's time for a quiz. Knowing the test format in advance is A, important so I know how to study, or B, not important as I have to know all the information anyways. The answer is A. It is important because you are going to study differently based on the format. If it is an essay question, you want to be able to compare or contrast ideas. But if it's multiple choice, you may want to emphasize facts, timelines, important dates, and definitions.
To properly prepare for exams, you must know the material that you will be tested on.
Start by looking at the course outline and the learning outcomes. The course outline will tell you exactly what was covered in the course. Learning outcomes are an excellent reminder of the course's main ideas and concepts. These are clues to what's going to be covered on your exams and tests.
If a certain topic is covered in both your textbook and in lecture, it is important to study.
Listen for clues, such as the professor mentioning a topic more than once.
That's a good point. The professor's emphasis may indicate if a topic is an important one for an exam or test. If you do not understand something in your class, ask people in your class and see if they can help you. Or talk to your professor. They will be happy to help.
Knowing the test format is important for your success. Ask your professor how much time you have for the exam and what each section is worth.
This allows you to know exactly what to study and the best way to go about doing it.
Courtney has an exam, and 50% of the exam is an essay question. 25% is short answer, and the remaining 25% is multiple choice. She will spend at least half of her time preparing for the essay question.
You also don't want to spend an entire hour on a question that's only worth 10%. Be aware of what you lose marks for, such as spelling and punctuation errors.
Whoopsie! Sometimes you are penalized for wrong answers on multiple choice questions. Now that we have this information for your exam, let's hit the books. Really?
A few weeks before your test or exam, create a study schedule and book some time for some study sessions.
You should break down test material into smaller chunks so you can focus on one topic at a time. Here's a weekly schedule that Courtney uses. Notice that she has clear goals set up for each study session. This ensures that she will cover all of the material so she is ready for the exam. She allows herself extra time to review any topic she's having difficulty with, or just in case something comes up that pushes her schedule back.
Study the difficult topics first because you'll need more time to learn them.
It's tempting to study the easier topics first, but if something comes up or you are pressed for study time, you'll not have time to go back to those more difficult topics.
So allow more time for the hard stuff.
Try to study in different places. Study at home or at the library, alone or in a group. This helps you be more productive and not get bored. Study in 45-minute intervals and take 10-minute breaks. Use your break to take a walk outside, make a snack, or grab a glass of water so you can relax and clear your mind.
The most effective study strategy is A. Some sort of physical exercise prior to study sessions. B. Frequent review of the material. Or C. Creating a study schedule and sticking to it, no matter what. Answer B is correct. Frequent review of the material helps move the information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. In the end, this will help you remember the information.